everyone, welcome to our review. Today we're going to be looking at Baseus security camera. They claim that it's the world's first smart AI dual tracking security camera. It works by having two independent cameras side to side that gives you different views. Both cameras have a 300 degrees max pan tracking. It has no hidden fees. Let's open up the box and see what it looks like. We have our security camera. This is the dual tracking system that we're mentioning. Both of these are two individual cameras that can get a wide range of view from each side. And then we have our instruction manual. So let's add our device right now. We're going to add a security camera. This is an outdoor dual camera, so let's select this one. We have to press the sync button for 5 seconds.
Connect to the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connection is successful.
Okay, so it seems like it finished connecting. Hey everyone, so this is the live view for the security camera and let's check it out. So a car is approaching on one of the cameras and we can see another car that's getting parked on the other camera. It's giving you a full range of motion right here. Look at it this way. See, you can see the edge of one car and the edge of the other car in the B camera as well as the A cameras. You can, these cameras work independently of each other. So this is our events page. This is an 18-second clip that we recorded. We can adjust it, the timing and the settings. This is of this car that came parking on the sidewalk, and you can kind of see it on the B camera, the edge of the car, while you can completely see it come into motion standing in front of the house in the A camera. So we are exporting it and putting it in our album. Over here you can also see it has different time ranges, so anywhere from 3 seconds to up to 20 seconds. I was able to capture all of these motions. Let's check out the home page. One cool interesting feature about this security camera is its solar panels being able to track the motion of the sun to get you the optimal battery percentage. So over here there's this tiny sign that's showing that the solar panel is rotating, and that just indicates that it is able to rotate to track the motion of the sun so that you can get the highest amount of battery percentage. Let's check out the settings in detail. So it does have a face management feature and facial recognition feature that we can turn on. This is in its beta mode, so if that's something you would like, you can add a face from your album so that it can capture known faces and it doesn't trigger any alarms. Like I said, it has sun-powered tracking, so it can move, actually it moves side to side to save energy and adjust its angles up to 2 hours intervals. Next, let's look at the power management settings. Right now it's at optimal battery life, but if you'd like longer clips, you can select optimal surveillance, which creates clips of up to 60 seconds, or customized recordings. So let's see, it can create recordings of up to 120 seconds, which is 2 minutes, or between 300 second and 5 to 300 second intervals. I am just going to keep it at optimal battery life. Let's look at our motion detection settings. So it detects all type of motion, but you can turn on smart detections such as vehicle and pet detection. You can also create human detection, and you can also create activity zones. So right now we saw a man walking by. We can also adjust the detection sensitivity through these settings. And you can also capture different settings with camera B. So you can also customize this. You can make one camera more sensitive than the other and adjust it accordingly. Let's check out our video settings. It's on dual view mode. It can also do stitched mode, which will give you an ultra wide angle view with no blind spots. So let's check this one out. So this is the stitched mode, and it was kind of able to stitch down the middle and gave you an ultra wide angle view. Honestly, I prefer the dual view mode. That way you're able to adjust each of them separately. I think it will just work better this way. Alright, so let's check out. We also have audio settings right here. It has an alarm and speaker volume, so if there's any intruders, the alarm would set up. And then we have something called the patrol mode, where the camera will patrol once every hour, and it will simultaneously rotate outward to the end position, back towards the center, and return to their initial positions. Let's check out some of the security settings on the security tab. So let's select our camera. We can have 4 different modes: home, away. You can schedule a mode as well and create a schedule, or disarmed. So let's set up our away mode. And let's look at the settings. So when I'm away, I want video recording notifications. I want to turn on the camera alarm as well as the spotlight flashing. So this would help me identify any intruders, especially when I'm not home. If you want to set it at nighttime, and maybe you want to set up a mode for 2 in the morning or something, you can create a schedule like this, home and away, and save it. And just that way your security camera can let you know when you have intruders. Alright, so let's check out the camera quality on our recording. So this is something I've downloaded. And let's read this street sign from far away. So this is a dual 3K camera with up to 8x zoom, digital zoom. So from 8x digital zoom, it seems like some of the writing is legible. You are able to look at what cars are nearby and the car descriptions, not exactly the writing. It is able to capture details from up to 8 meters. So that was the alert button that I pressed. When I pressed it, it was ringing quite loudly. I was able to hear it from here. We also have a spotlight that would be really useful at nighttime. This does have night vision, such as black and white night vision and spotlight night vision. The spotlight will turn on when motion is detected at night. Alright, so this is the black and white night vision. This is as much as you can see. We can also change the night vision. So we can do spotlight night vision instead of IR. And the scene brightens up, and the colors are a bit more true to life than the black and white night vision. Let's pan the cameras. So if you click this arrow button right here on the bottom, you're also able to pan the cameras. So we have our A camera and our B camera with these arrow signs. I am pressing the cameras. You can only move side to side and not up and down. So together with both cameras, you would have a 300-degree field of view. Alright, so that is pretty cool. With its dual view camera, you're able to watch both corners and have a very wide angle view. First smart AI dual tracking security camera system that gives you a 300 degrees max pan tracking. It has dual independent cameras with 3K view, which can follow two subjects simultaneously and seamlessly, making sure that your property stays without blind spots. It has features such as the dual sentry and patrol mode. The dual mode, which stays alert, and once movement is detected, it can automatically track the subject and start recording. And the patrol mode, which rotate independently at preset intervals, such as every hour or 2 hours, to actively scan for potential threats, providing wide and consistent surveillance. We hope you guys like this Baseus security camera system. If you'd like more details about this product, please go ahead and check out our description box below. Thank you all for watching.